Hey creator, there has literally never been a better time to be earning passive income apart from right now online. And if you think it takes years to grow and months to create your first product, then this video is going to be a pleasant surprise for you. Now, if you're wondering who I am, I'm Ross, and this is Upstart Creatives, where I help creative people just like you turn your creative passion into passive income online and ultimately allow you to continue to share your knowledge online with others. Now, still one of the best ways to create passive income online is with a YouTube channel. Now, I launched my own YouTube channel just a few short years ago, and since then I've grown it to over 100,000 subscribers and I've sold over 7,000 products online. Now, I started when everyone was telling me that YouTube was completely overcrowded and there was no way that I was ever going to grow an online business. Now, ultimately, most people never get started in this field, and that's great for you and I because it means that there's less people that we're going to have to deal with online. Now, a YouTube channel doesn't require really much experience, and nor does it require any money to get started. Now, when I started out with very little knowledge in the video and video effects game, and then slowly I faked it essentially until I made it. So over a period of a few years, I grew my skills to where they are today. And even still, I don't consider myself to be an expert in this YouTube space. And the reality is you don't have to be, because even if you're a 10, you can sell to 9s and below, but even if you're a 3 or a 4, you can still sell a digital product to 3s or 2s or 1s. Now, the great thing about a YouTube channel is you don't even have to have a product to sell. You can make money passively through ad revenue or through sponsorship deals, which is the best way and the best return that you're going to get on a YouTube channel. Now, I leveraged my first sponsorship when I only had less than 100 subscribers. So you don't need 100,000 subscribers to get started, and you don't need 100,000 subscribers in order to sell digital products online. Now, this leads directly into the second part, which I just mentioned, which is selling digital products online. Now, this is a lot easier than people think. People think that it takes months and months to create a product. Now, that can be true if you overcomplicate it and you choose something that's going to take a really long time to build out. The reality is, as someone who's sold a lot of products online, that you just need to keep it really, really simple, and you can create a basic product within a day or two and have it already selling within a few short days. The truth with any digital product is that if you can create a product that solves a problem for someone in your target demographic, then you will make sales. You don't need to create these really complex sales funnels and spend months building out a product if it solves a really basic need for your target audience. Now, if this sounds all too difficult, then I've created a free mini workshop down below, and if you watch this, it'll teach you how to actually create a digital product or your first digital product and get it online and selling all within a few short days. Now, this is one area that I've personally carved out my name in my online niche. Selling online courses is a great way to monetize your knowledge to your audience. The truth is, if you can get subscribers to subscribe to your video, then you're obviously offering them something of value that they want or desire. So if you can package that up into some sort of online course, then those people will most likely be willing to pay a fee in order to get access to that knowledge. I've now got a bunch of online courses that now sell 24/7, and this is why they're a great example of recurring passive income. Another really quick thing that you can do online is sell online templates. Now, you don't need a YouTube channel in order to sell these. You can use multiple sites online like Etsy or Envato Elements, any of those sort of sites where people can access a digital download. Then you can upload this as a really small product. You can create a digital template in a very short amount of time. You can sell it for an affordable price online, and it's something that's very repeatable over a short period of time. So you can quickly get together a whole bunch of downloadable templates. They can really add up to a decent amount of passive income. Now, this is another great way of making passive income online, even if you don't have your own products to sell. Affiliate marketing is a great way in order to recommend various products and services that you believe in, that you can sell, or that are relevant to your target audience. Now, I've personally made a lot of money through affiliate marketing, and the one rule that I always stay true to is make sure that it's a product that's relevant to them. And it also helps if it's a product that you can personally see yourself using. Now, you don't want to get out there and just start promoting everything. If you can pick one or two core products that really align with what your goals and values are, then when you try and share that with your audience, then they're going to respond a lot better to that because you already believe in the product itself. It's something that you would personally use. Now, you don't even need to have a YouTube channel to do this. You can set up something like an Amazon affiliate account and link to products by sending them out via emails or in other forms of social media. The great thing about it is that they don't have to be products that you have made or personally own. You can link to a lot of other great successful products online that you think are relevant to a specific audience. Ebooks are one of the most popular ways of making passive income online because they're very affordable and they're relatively easy to make. Now, using Google Docs or Google Slides, you can create an ebook in a very short amount of time. And again, then you can promote it through whatever means you have. Another great way of doing it, even if you don't have a social media following, is to use your own affiliates to sell that product for you. So if you're making a photography ebook, then approach an audience who already has a photography community and say to them, if they promote your book, you can give them an affiliate cut of the sales that they bring into you. This is a great way of promoting it even when you don't have any sort of online following. Now, this is something that requires a little bit of experience in order to do, but even if you're an advanced beginner, say, you can still teach or coach absolute beginners from scratch. The reality is, if you're clear about what they're going to achieve from your coaching program and you're not misleading them in any way, then this can be a very, very successful passive income for you online. Now, coaching programs typically start in the hundreds, if not the thousands. The other great thing about private coaching is it doesn't require a lot of work to get the program up and running. You can create basic one-on-one private coaching lessons with someone and develop it as you go. And with that, you can also increase your price and eventually start offering coaching packages that people can sign up to. And it can be done in a relatively short period of time. So that's 7 of the best passive income ideas that you can start right now. There's never been a better time to get started. And if you're unsure about how to get started, then I've got a free mini workshop down in the description below. And in that, I'm going to walk you through all the steps on how you can create your first digital product and then get it up online and start selling, all within just 5 days. Now, you can watch more videos over here on the side of the screen. Get out there, get started, and I can't wait to see what you create next.